All right, so here's a look at this wooden and metal workbench. You can see here that it's got a nice thick wooden piece up here at the top. And this workbench is gonna be 48 inches long and I think about 20 inches wide. So a good size workspace that's gonna work for pretty much anyone who needs something that's gonna be mobile, but be able to hold a lot of weight. Now, a lot of people are going to be using this again for a workspace, like a workshop table. So having your equipment on here is going to be necessary. This is going to be able to hold up to 2,000 pounds. It's also going to come with this piece as well. Now, we use this for our pizza oven, so we don't necessarily need this plug-in outlet, but you can see it'll come with 4 different plugs, and each one is going to be a 3-prong plug, which is really nice, especially if you're, again, using any type of power tools. You're always going to want to make sure that you got the 3-prong plug. Plus, it's also going to have this USB here as well. So if you got some smaller devices, maybe like a wood engraver that basically just needs a USB plug-in, you could easily just plug that in right there. Now this is going to go over here on this side. Again, we didn't need it because we're just using a gas pizza oven right here. But you can see this is going to mount right into here. There's a little cutout for it, and there's just going to be 2 screws that you plug in. Now the main thing with this is it's going to be mobile, so you can easily move it around, and you can see even here in the backyard we've basically got a bunch of little tiny pavers on the ground, which is extremely bumpy, but because of the fact that this has rollerblade style wheels, it's very thick and wide rubber for the wheels, and you're able to move it around on bumpy surfaces just like this, and even with something heavy like this, it'll stay in place. You could also lock all 4 of the wheels. So I've seen some of the other ones on Amazon that only lock 2 of the wheels, and that isn't good, especially if you're going to have heavy equipment on top of here. You want to make sure that you're locking down all 4 of these, especially if we're making pizza. We want to make sure that these are all locked. That way this isn't going to move anywhere while we're trying to pull the pizza out. Could be dangerous. This thing gets hot. I also will use this in the garage as well, and you can see right now it's at the highest height, and I'm sitting on a workbench stool. I feel like this is a great solution if you're going to be working, you know, in a garage and you kind of need something that's going to be up high. Then utilizing it in this position with a stool is going to be perfect. But if you wanted to use this for something like a work desk with a computer, or you're just going to be kind of sitting at it all day, then you might want to position this a bit lower. Again, I think it goes down to like 24 or 30 inches at the lowest and about 40 inches up at the highest. Now putting this together was really easy. Just a bunch of Allen screws, and then they're also going to provide you the Allen key with it as well. So I didn't need any extra tools or anything like that to put it together. Plus the wheels down here at the bottom, they basically just snap in. You don't have to do really any installation with that. So if you're looking for a really good workbench, something that's going to be really sturdy, plus have that mobility of being able to move around and even have power outlets, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.